Hello awesome people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Getty and this is One Gem, where we are all about styling our natural hair and looking good while doing it. So today we are going to do the long-awaited tutorial on how to make your own flaxseed gel. Yes, I know you guys have been asking me for a while now, and I'm finally going to show you how to do it. But before we get into it, we have to announce our winner. So on Sunday there was a competition running. All you had to do was 1. Be subscribed to my channel. 2. Like and comment on my Sunday's video. 3. Take a screenshot of the channel, post it on your Instagram and tag me. But guys, you did not carry out all the 3 tasks. Most of you guys either just liked or comment or took a screenshot. But next time, hopefully you can follow all the instructions. But we do have a winner. We do have a winner. And her name is MEMORY MVULA. Yay! Congratulations! You are our lucky winner, and guess what you walk away with today? Ta-da! Yes, it's a satin bonnet. This is what you put on your hair when you go to sleep. It protects your hair. It really does. So you are walking away with this. Congratulations! So do let me know, guys, if you want me to show you my nighttime routine, how I apply, how I use this, what I apply. Do let me know in the comments if you are interested in this. So this is what our lucky winner is walking away with. Alright, now that that is out of the way, we are going to get right into how to make your flaxseed gel. You're going to need flax seeds. I bought them in Discount. Water. I'm just going to use normal tap water. Measuring cups. These ones are the ones you're going to use to measure your water and the amount of flax seeds you're going to need. And then you're going to need a container for your flaxseed gel. And then Pantyhose is what you're going to use to separate the seeds from the gel. First, measure 2 cups of water. This is also equivalent to 600 ml. And then you go ahead and measure a 1/4 cup of flaxseed gel, flax seeds. Pour the water into a pan or a pot, the 2 cups, and then add the 1/4 cup of the flax seeds. We're going to cook it at medium to high heat. So go ahead and switch on your stove. Give it a quick stir just so that your seeds are properly incorporated in the water. And then you let it cook until it boils. Once it boils, if you had put your heat on high, you need to lower the heat now to medium. Then you stir so that the seeds don't get stuck at the bottom of the pan. You let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just properly looking at the consistency, because you don't want it too watery. You'd want it to have a gel-like consistency, more like of an egg white. So you let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, it's becoming thicker. The longer it's on the pot boiling, the more thicker it gets. So just keep stirring and really paying attention to the consistency. Remember not to have the heat. There we go. Now that is the consistency we want. That is like the gel-like consistency that we are looking for. So at this point, you can switch off turn off the heat or the stove and put it aside to cool. Let it sit for about 45 minutes. Once it has cooled, it's now time to separate the gel from the seeds. What you do is you take the stocking and put it over your cup or your jar, and then you pour the product into the stocking or the pantyhose. This part is the most complicated one for me, but over time I've gotten a hang of it, so hopefully you guys will also get a hang of it. So you pour your product into the stocking. Make sure you put the entire product in it, and then you start with the separation process. Once you are done separating the gel, you then go ahead and add your oils. This is not compulsory. Sometimes I just use the gel without adding any oils. But then it all depends on you. You can put, in this case, I'm putting in coconut oil and castor oil. Just half a teaspoon of each. You don't really need a lot of oil, just half a teaspoon, and then you properly mix it into the gel. You can also use other oils such as olive oil, tea tree oil, whatever oil you have. I think it can work. So you just mix it in there, and now it's time to move your product into your bottle. This is the final step. If you are this far, it means that you're a champion and you made it. So, okay, this is another challenge now, trying to get the product into the bottle. You have to do it nice and slowly, nice and gentle, because it's so slimy, or what can I call it? So you do it nice and gentle, and then you pour it into your container. And guys, that is it. There is your flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel has a lot of benefits. One of them is actually it actually moisturizes the hair and promotes growth. Thank you for watching. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you really liked it. And thank you for watching. See you next time.